So first I reset my database by deleting this file, db.sqlite3, and this in the migration folder, this one, except this init.py. Then I make the new models, the new models, which is of course year level, subject, teacher, student, student year level, schedule, attendance. Then I also use foreign key for the for the to connect related tables. For example, student is connected to course. Then then after that I run the migration to create the models. Then manage it by migrate to apply. Then I created the create super user, then admin, then created successfully. Then in my models, in my admin.py, I registered all models so that they appear in the Django admin panel. Then in the views.py, I created the I created uh, the main for the home page. Then the students to display all students information using students that objects that all. Then for the update to update the students here, then delete to delete students, to add course, add year level, add subject, add teacher, add student, add schedule, add attendance, add student year level, and for the details to show the students full information using the ID, student ID. Then here for the to show the list of courses, year levels, subjects, etc. Then in my URLs, I created paths for homepage, for the students list, for adding a course, year level, subjects, etc. For update and delete. Then I also I also add templates for attendance. Here the list to show the list of students, courses, teachers, and here the base.html. Here is the navigation. Then subjects.html. Then this is the home page. Then the students. If I want to add students, example, save. Then Kit was added. Then in the courses, if I want to add new course, CS Computer Science. A new course was added, which is the computer science. Year level, subjects. If I want to add new subject, IoT description, section D3, save. Then the new subject was added. Then teachers, Ma'am MJ, last name Ayasa. Then then the new, then the new teachers, the teacher is was added. Then student year level for Kit, third year, save. Then if schedules, add schedules, 3:30 p.m., 6 p.m., days MPH, IoT, schedules, new schedule was added. Then if attendance, status present, Kit, IOP, isang mall today, time 3:30 p.m. Save. And the new attendance was saved. Then in the admin, in the admin, the models was added here. Attendance, Kit na po na present today, versus schedules, student year levels, students, subjects, teachers, year levels.